Okay, so John and I are sitting, settling down for a Saturday night when there's a knock at the door, and the man who lives in the farm next to the farm that's next to us, if you understand all that, has shot a roe deer and wanted to gift us some meat. So we now have two back legs. So Downton Abbey, the movie in France, will have to wait while we do butchery. Watch this space.
Roast dinners for 4 people.
So here we are, 40 minutes later, much sharpening of knives, and we have 5 bags. We could have taken off more, but our freezer is going to be basically full, so we have 2 bags of stew pieces and 3 bags that are going to be for 4 people, and they'll be done as roast venison. So thank you very much, the neighbours.